राज्यांत दुस्वास वाडपाक लागला. ताका लागून गुन्यांवूय वाडटात. एके वटेन भाजप सरकाराक लागून गोंयांत आशिल्ली शांती पिड्यार जायत चल्ल्या, जाल्यार काँग्रेस पक्ष भारत जोडो यात्रे मार्फत देशभर मोग पसरयत आसा. भाजप राज्यांत जी शांती पिड्यार करता थंय काँग्रेस मोग पसरोवपाक सोदता म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो अहराज मुल्ला उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
A major issue that Goa is facing, and we as the youth of Goa have never faced such a hatred or any kind of a crime which used to happen. So today the hatred among people is increasing, and we see that the government is not serious about any of this. We are a state which lives in peace and harmony. Goa has always been an example to set up a peace in the entire country. So we are an example, and today, since the BJP government is in Goa, we've seen that this piece of Goa, for what it is known for, is finishing and diminishing. So in interest of the peace of the state, Goa wants to set an example, and Youth Congress will take charge. We have already have a Bharat Jodo Yatra in North. We'll be a part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra in the South today, and we will actively make sure that within constituencies across Goa, the Youth Congress moves across with all the other frontals of our party, and we will take the charge to build a young team and to reach out to all the constituencies for the coming elections. We thank Rahul Gandhi for making a movement to spread love and peace. This country was under a big turmoil. This country was not working for the people of the state or the country. It was only working for Adani. So this is a strong message that we want to give, that we as the youth believe in this idea of India, that the Congress party is spreading across the country with this Bharat Jodo Yatra. So in the same interest, we request all the youth, many leaders, there are various leaders on ground level, in colleges, in the panchayats, in the municipalities, various people to come and spread the message of love. Our leader has given a message that we will be opening Mohabbat ki Dukaan, the shops of love in all the cities, and we will take the initiative to spread this love that the BJP wants to finish in the state of Goa. There's no number. We touch to all the youth. We want to touch the hearts of every youth, because none of the youth, खंयचेच युथाक झगडी करपाचे ना. आयज पळोवपाक गेल्यार इतले क्रायम जाता, कोणाकूच क्रायम नाका, पूण बीजेपीन एक सिनारियो अशी क्रिएट केला की क्रायम वाडटा. सो ते क्रायम बंद करपा खातीर द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू बी सिरियस. ते गव्हर्मेंटाची सिरियसनेस आमकां खंयच दिसना. द होम डिपार्टमेंट, द CM has to take this seriously. The other day we see various authorities of the police have to take this seriously, and over and over we can see cases going to the crime department, and then various people are involved in it. So all this has to be taken seriously by the government. You have itself seen so many crimes. There is a doubt in the minds of the people about the police also. For example, the Banastari issue. So all this has to be taken on a whole level. I'm not talking only about Banastari, but various things. There shouldn't be a doubt. We have to trust the home department in such a way that the people feel safe. Today people are not feeling safe. The safety aspects there. So because of that, it is important that we touch the youth, and जे मी सांगले की कोणा कितले यूथ असतले, एक नंबर असतो ना. वी वॉन्ट टू टच एवरीवन, दॅट ते हेट्रेड जे करता पळय, हेट्रेड इन द नेम ऑफ कास्ट, हेट्रेड इन द नेम ऑफ रिलीजन, हेट्रेड इन द नेम ऑफ एनीथिंग, म्हणून झगडी जाता. हेट्रेड हॅज टू स्टॉप.